Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can use the FPV drone to create cinematic drone sequences in Unreal Engine. To do this we will be using the Takerecorder and the sequencer. To render the clip out we will be using the movie render queue. So here I have an empty project just with the FPV drone added. And I open the example map for this tutorial. I need to make sure that the game mode of the drone is selected. I enable my Xbox controller. And now I can fly on this map. So with the drone enabled, I need to check that the right plugins are enabled in the project. So I take a look for the Takerecorder, and also I need the movie render queue for rendering. Enable these plugins when they are not enabled, and then you need to restart the engine. So how can you record the drone now? To do this you need to hit play, and you need the Takerecorder window right here. You can find it under Windows, Cinematics, and then Takerecorder. Right there you need to add the asset when you are in the game mode, because it's only initiated in this mode. There is the normal asset you will be using will be yellow, and it's called Simple Drone 1 right here. And to record my movement I just hit this record button, and now I fly the drone through this course and record its movements. Then I can stop the recording, and I got the sequence, which you can view right here. Review last recording. Stop the game, and now if you check, there's the drone right here. And if I play, it should start moving. Yes, right here. Okay. When using this drone for rendering right here, you have one issue. The drone will always stay on one place. So if I hit render local, the drone just stays on one place. The problem is that the physics is enabled with this drone asset, and we need a drone with not enabled physics. To get this, we make the sequence editable and get into the track of the drone. And right here we can replace the drone with a drone with disabled physics. So right click on this drone and hit change class, and then search for MRQ drone, or it's called movie render queue drone. And you can see right here in the mesh, when I select it, that under physics, I want the mesh. Under physics, simulate physics is disabled. And now when I render the scene, the drone should move. So this is how you render an FPV drone for cinematic sequences.